Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi VPN. First, select a reputable VPN provider and subscribe to their service. Next, download and install the VPN application onto your device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. This crucial step ensures your online activities remain private and secure, especially when connected to public Wi-Fi networks. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel, safeguarding your data from potential threats. When selecting a VPN, prioritize providers offering AES 256-bit encryption and a strict no-logs policy. After choosing, download the application directly from their official website or a trusted app store. Installation is typically straightforward, taking only a few minutes. Once installed, you'll usually be prompted to log in with your account credentials. This ensures your connection is secure and your online presence is protected from prying eyes. With the VPN app open, log in using your username and password. You'll then see a list of server locations worldwide. For the best performance, choose a server geographically close to your current location. Once selected, simply tap or click the Connect button. Your device will establish a secure, encrypted connection, often indicated by a key icon or a notification. This process usually takes less than 10 seconds to complete. After connecting, verify your VPN is active. The app will usually show a connected status, and your device's notification bar might display a VPN icon. To be absolutely sure, visit an IP address checker website. Your displayed IP should now match the VPN server's location, not your actual one. Remember to keep your VPN software updated for the latest security patches. Disconnect when not needed, especially on your secure home network, to conserve battery and bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.